Hey guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox the latest device from Honor, the Honor 10 Lite. So this is the box of Honor 10 Lite. Let's see what are specs mentioned in the box itself. Okay, there it is. Rear camera is 13 plus 2 MB, that is dual camera. Then there is a rear front camera is 24 MB, battery is 3400 mAh. The price is given as 18,999. Then it is a January 2019 manufactured device. It is manufactured by Fluxtronics. So this is a made in India phone, and it is given that it is TUV Rainland certified. There is a logo for that. So it is a special eye care mode for the display. Then this phone is the 6 GB RAM variant and it is a sky blue color. So Honor actually has released two variants of the device. One is with 4 GB, the other one with 6 GB RAM. Storage is same 64 GB. So 4 GB RAM variant costs around 13,999 and the 6 GB RAM comes for 17,999. It is available in Flipkart and Honor India website. It's also available in midnight black, white and gradient blue colors. So this is the gradient blue color. This is first time I am seeing a gradient blue device. So I'm going to power on the device and keep it on side for the time being. Then there is this IMEI stickers. So then there is the paper pouch inside the box. Let's see what's inside the box. So you can see that there is the Huawei warranty guide, and there is the quick start guide. Then there is the clear keys. Then there is the sim ejector tool. So let us look into the how good is the clear protective case, because if you ask me, Realme 2 clear protective case is the best one that's coming with the device, and the worst one is the ones coming with Xiaomi devices. It's not as good as Realme 2 Pros, but it's pretty good. I have to say it's very much better than the ones that is coming with Xiaomi. And then inside the box there is no earphones. So this is a charger. It's a Huawei branded 2-pin charger. Let's see whether it supports quick charging. Okay, so it's outputting, let's see, it's a 5 watt 2 amp charger. That means it does not support quick charging. So under 15K, most of the phones, I think all the phones comes with micro USB cable. I don't think on a 10 Lite is going to be any different. So let's see any which ways. So Honor 10 Lite also comes with a micro USB cable. So let's see when the manufacturers will be changing that into USB Type-C cable. I think it will happen this year itself. Manufacturers will be slightly moving in the USB Type-C cable because that is the future. So let us keep all these accessories to a side and take a good look at the device. That is, we will go into an overview of the device. Okay, let me put it aside everything. Okay, is that, let me zoom out of this. Okay, let's see. So this is the back. Man, that looks really cool. So this is not a glass bag, this is actually a gradient finish on the plastic bag. What happens is that this fades gradually from light to dark. This looks really unique, and I really think it's really cool. Let me clear off the stickers so that you could see it in clearly. Look at that, it really looks beautiful. Honor definitely know how to design their phones, man. Under 15K they design the best phones. Honor text really looks good. Now this one also. I know they are not the first one to use a plastic like glass material, but still they made it unique. So on the front we have 6.21-inch screen with full HD plus display. Then there's our teardrop notch which contains 24 MP front facing camera with f2.2 aperture. Because of the teardrop notch we have 19:5:9 uh, ratio. Then there is also the less pixels around the display, making it very good. There is a small chin also, but so that you could get a full view display. On the back we can see that there is dual camera. One is 13 MP f 1.8 aperture camera, then secondly 2 MP depth sensor, then there is fingerprint scanner, there is Honor branding, and on the top you can see that the SIM tray. Let's see what kind of SIM tray they are using, whether it is a hybrid SIM slot or other one. Okay, no, it's not. One more try, just push it. Okay, so it's a hybrid sort, so either dual SIM or a single SIM and a micro sticker. Let's dive into settings right now. So 10.04 GB is already used. I have not installed any apps or anything in the phone right now, so that is the storage you are going to get. Let me go into the about page phone. So it comes with EMUI version 9.1 and also Android Pie, Android 9, Android Pie. The CPU is octa-core high silicon Kirin 710 12nm chip, and the RAM is 6 GB and 53.96 GB is the free space, and there is also November security patch. Okay, the display looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like there is no bezels and display is floating around. And let's check how fit is the case also. Okay, case is not fit, and I think you have to use a clear case so that it avoids scratches, and also really you can show off the design and the color of the phone. It is a really good looking phone, so you should be showing it off. And that's it for the unboxing video. I'll be sharing a few samples of which I had took around my house. I'll be doing the full review of the phone. So for the time being, enjoy the camera samples. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one. Bye. Hi guys, this is the rear camera sample of Honor 10 Lite. Let's see how it focuses. Hi guys, this is the front camera sample of Honor 10 Lite.